Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead. And today, in our first video in our new gardening series, we're going to talk about starting seeds. Okay, so today we're going to talk about starting our seeds. Now, depending on what you're starting, what vegetable you're starting, is on what you need to do. But the basic principle is the same for everything. All seeds need three things: loamy soil, water, and light. They need all of those things to germinate. Every seed out there needs those three basic things. You got those three things, your seed should germinate, as long as it's a good seed. Now, different things that you can use to start your seeds, as you see here, you can use the little plastic, what we call the little plastic triangle trays, because the root ball come out kind of like a triangle. You can use, like what we showed on our Saturday night live stream, the toilet paper rolls. You can use those. You can use the Jiffy Pods. You can sow directly into your raised bed, or you can sow directly into your garden. Look on the back of all your seed packets. The depth should be there. Seed starting is not really rocket science. I think we tend to overthink starting our seeds. Just get you a packet of seeds. It's a little bit too early for watermelon. Get you a packet of seeds. Put them in the dirt. Put them in the soil. I'm sorry, soil. Put them in the soil. Water them in. And let nature take its course. Don't overthink it. All you need is a container that can hold your soil, that you can keep moist. Now, as you see here, this is our seed setup. We literally have wire shelves with shop lights, and we have everything from the Jiffy Pods to the triangles, the little black triangle cases that we got from an old nursery starting seeds. And you can see we got different stages of germination. We got some plants that are ready to go outside and get sowed straight into the garden. We have some that are just starting, waiting on their forever leaves. So I hope this video has given you guys a little bit of confidence, a little bit of motivation to go out there and take a simple seed and put it in some dirt and grow yourself some food. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead, and like always, I love the smell of tomatoes. Have a nice day.